Jayanti Sarovar, Jamshedpur. A beautiful lake located inside the Jubilee Park, and because of its location, this lake is also called as Jubilee Lake. Jayanti Sarovar is blessed with greenery and calmness. It is known for its beautiful surroundings, vegetation and flowers. This is a famous tourist place in Jamshedpur, mostly used as a recreation spot. It attracts visitors throughout the year, yet it is more during the winter seasons for interesting migrating birds. Adjacent to the lake, there is an amusement park for kids and a zoological park as well. Jayanti Sarovar is a must-visit place as it offers a great experience to the visitors. You can capture the picturesque view during your visit to this lake. There is a small island known as Bat Island because it is occupied by the bats. You can enjoy the activity of boating at Jayanti Sarovar by paying a nominal fee. The Jayanti Sarovar also has water fountains and flower beds that increase the beauty of the lake and environment as a whole. Every year, a fishing competition is also organized in this lake. Occasionally, leisure and music shows are also scheduled for all visitors visiting the Jayanti Sarovar. People frequently visit the area for a walk in the morning or evening. Previously, people with cycles, bikes and cars could move across all around the lake through the end-to-end road that goes parallel to the lake. Now it is not possible for some reason at the southeast part of the road adjacent to the lake. Overall, the cleanliness of the lake, flowers, still waters, beautiful greenery and chirping birds welcome visitors to the Jayanti Sarovar. Visitors can sit on the benches and enjoy the views or simply walk around the park. This place is ideal for those looking to spend some peaceful time.